Students, today we will solve one example of cost volume profit analysis in Advanced Accounting and Auditing Paper 8, Veer Narmad South Gujarat University, TY BCom SEM 6. Here is the question. ABC Limited and MNO Limited sell identical products in identical markets. Their budgeted income statement for the year 2011-12 are as follows. Particulars: ABC Limited, MNO Limited. First, sales rupees 5 lakh, rupees 6 lakh. Less variable cost rupees 4 lakh, rupees 1 lakh 80,000. So, contribution of ABC Limited rupees 1 lakh and that of MNO Limited rupees 4 lakh 20,000. Less fixed cost rupees 20,000 and rupees 2 lakh 70,000. So, budget profit of ABC Limited amount to rupees 80,000 and that of MNO Limited rupees 1 lakh 50,000. Now we are asked to calculate number 1, break even point for each company. Number 2, sales at which each company will earn a profit of rupees 60,000. Number 3, sales at which both companies will have same profits. And point number 4, which company will earn more profit when A, there is a heavy demand and B, there is a low demand. This example is from ICWA Inter June 2008 examination. Our first requirement is break even point of both the companies. Here we have taken the budgeted profit statement of both the companies, ABC Limited and MNO Limited. First of all, we will calculate profit volume ratio of both the companies by using formula PV ratio is equal to contributions divided by sales multiplied by 100. In case of ABC Limited, our contribution is rupees 1 lakh and sale rupees 5 lakh. So now our PV ratio will be 1 lakh divided by 5 lakh multiplied by 100 is equal to 20%. And in case of MNO Limited, our contribution is 4 lakh 20,000 and sales rupees 6 lakh. So our contribution will be 4 lakh 20,000 divided by rupees 6 lakh multiply 100 is equal to 70%. Now we will calculate break even point of both the companies by using formula. Break even point is equal to fixed cost upon PV ratio multiplied by 100. Now ABC Limited, our fixed cost is rupees 20,000. So 20,000 divided by PV ratio 20% multiply 100. So our answer comes rupees 1 lakh. And MNO Limited, our fixed cost rupees 2 lakh 70,000 and PV ratio 70%. So BEP will be 2 lakh 70,000 divided by 70 multiply by 100 is equal to rupees 3 lakh 85,714 rupees. Now our second requirement is required sales to earn a profit of rupees 60,000. Here we are asked to calculate required sales, that is desired sales to earn a profit, and our formula for required sale is fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio multiplied by 100. Here our PV ratio is in percentage, that is why formula is multiplied by 100. In case of ABC Limited, our fixed cost is rupees 20,000 and plus desired profit rupees 60,000 divide by PV ratio 20%. Already we calculated in point number 1, multiply by 100. So our required sales amount to rupees 4 lakh. Now MNO Limited, our fixed cost rupees 2,70,000 plus required profit 60,000 and PV ratio 70% multiply by 100. So our desired sales come to rupees 4,71,429. Now our next requirement is sales at which both companies will have same profit. Dear students, this particular point is little bit complicated. First of all, let us make assumption. Here our assumption is let required sales be S and that of profit as P. So first of all we will take equation of contribution. So contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. This is a common formula of contribution. Fixed cost plus profit. Now we can replace contribution by taking another formula that sales multiply PV ratio is equal to fixed cost plus profit. Now for ABC Limited, sales we need to calculate. So sales S multiply PV ratio 20% is equal to fixed cost 20,000 plus profit, that is P. So finally we get equation for ABC Limited. S is equal to rupees 1 lakh plus 5P. This is our equation number 1. Now for MNO Limited, sales S as it is multiply PV ratio 70% is equal to 2,70,000 fixed cost plus profit P. So we get equation S is equal to 3,85,714 plus 10 by 7 P as equation number 2. Now by solving both the equations we will get profit like this. So first equation 1 lakh plus 5P is equal to 3,85,714 plus 10 by 7P. Dear students, this is nothing but sale of both the companies. First part is sale of ABC Limited and second part is sale of MNO Limited, and both the company will have same sales. So now we will get next step 5P minus 10 by 7P is equal to 3,85,714 minus 1 lakh. This is mathematical operation, and finally we get 25P by 7 is equal to 2,85,714. So 25P is equal to 2,85,714 multiplied by 7. Next step 25P is equal to 19,99,998. So we get P is equal to 19,99,998 divided by 25. So P is equal to rupees 79,999.92. So we round it off in rupees 80,000. So our profit will be rupees 80,000. And now by using profit rupees 80,000 we will calculate sales. So we can take any of the two equations to work out sales. We take first equation. So sale S is equal to 1 lakh plus 5P. Now substitute P by rupees 80,000. So S is equal to 1 lakh plus 5 multiply 80,000. So S is equal to 1 lakh plus 4 lakh. So our sales is equal to rupees 5 lakh. So like this we get sales and profit of both the companies. Sale of both the companies will be rupees 5 lakh and profit of both the companies will be rupees 80,000. Now our next requirement is which company will earn more profit in heavy demand and in low demand. So in first case, in case of heavy demand, MNO Limited will earn more profit because of higher PV ratio. Because if your PV ratio will be higher, your contribution amount will go up and your profit will go high. In case of low demand, ABC Limited will earn more profit because of lower BEP. Because after BEP, you are in a safety zone and your profit will increase. That's all. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep studying, keep growing. Once again, thank you very much.